Hi, Julie Gamine here, and welcome to my channel. Kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a lovely time. Enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's officially my birthday, and I am looking so hot. You are not ready. Okay, I am looking for a place where I can place my phone. Hey, me being a rapper, but I can't find one. But I'm gonna show you outfit of the day. Not me looking like a cookie. Abby is good, but I am glad. I can't tell you how much I turned, but I turned 20 something. Anyway, guys, don't worry. I'm dressed so nicely. I even wore heels. Hey, let me show you guys the outfit of the day. I'm gonna place you down like lazima too. I just have to show you what I've worn. Lazima. One thing about me, I'll dress up. I definitely had to dress up because it's my birthday. Guys, this is my twin brother. Until okay, we are twins, but from another mother. Yeah. And from another father also. But we are happy.
I'm the firstborn. I was born early in the morning.
Guys, I am sure I am the firstborn because he even doesn't know when he was born.
I know.
No, he doesn't.
He just wants to be the first one. But I am. Period.
This is how we fight at work all day. He's my colleague. His name is Maurice Monda. You can follow him on Instagram and TikTok. For the 1 million time, this is my friend Ricky Shades.
Ricky Shades.
He forgot the shades today, but it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, I'm not throwing shades. Just Ricky Shades.
Yeah, so guys, we are going to the gate to get the delivery. Sorry about the background noise. I think the generator, I'm not even sure. So, nime tense, nime paniki. I don't know what that is, but I am excited. I am expecting everything and nothing at the same time, but I am expectant. Like, nime matusina. Yes, guys, but I am glad. I am happy.
Do you want to open right now?
Let's get.
Sawa.
I was so happy, guys. Everyone needs a man that supports their career or their passion, and that's on period.
Look at her, guys. She's about to cry. Tears of joy. Sasa sitarudi kuweka simu yangu time inipige picha na vitu shata. God bless this man. God bless this man. Guys, have sensible boyfriend. Men who support your career. I can I come in peace, but I can also offer pieces. Hey.
Oh. I love you. Thank you. I know you will watch this video. Thank you so much, and I love you. I love you so much. Yes. Na tuachane nione mtu wa comment nione. Wow. Yes, I am happy. Yeah, thank you. Good morning, my people. Today is the next day. I am going for a vacation. Guess destination Sitam Kadolta Resort. Here I am. Very happy. It's very early in the morning. Oh. Pasi, say hi.
What's up? Good morning. My name is Pastor Guara. I'm happy today.
We were warmly welcomed, and I love the part where ukiwa tu kwa reception unapewa juice. One thing about me nowadays, food is more exciting, like a million times exciting. I enjoyed this juice. I wish ningepata menu, but it was so good. Yes, so at this point I was waiting for them to allocate me a room.
Guys, good morning. How you doing? So today is the 4th of October, post birthday. So well, I am happy and I thank God that I just turned 20 something yesterday and I am blessed. So today, currently I'm at Sitam Kadolta Resort, which is, as the name says it, it's a Sitam resort. So we just got here. I woke up very early, as you saw in the intro. So it's 7, right? No, it's 7:40 something, and we just got welcomed with this glass of juice, which tastes so good. Me, I love the environment here. I've been to Sitam Kadolta when I was so new. I think my second day in Sitam. Like I went on that Sunday to Sitam, then on Monday came to Sitam Kadolta because there was a youth retreat. But right now we are here for a getaway. Yes, this is a retreat. I am so happy. This is a birthday birthday retreat, and I am glad. So we're just gonna go. We just reserved rooms. I'm gonna be here for 2 days and a night. So this is 4th and 5th and the night between. Yes, so I'm gonna go back tomorrow evening. Yes, I think so. So see you. Enjoy this vlog, guys. Kindly, if you've not subscribed, please do so. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? See you, guys. So guys, we're going for breakfast. This is my friend Marilyn. And we also have someone here, Astrid, for the...
Hi guys, remember me?
We were ranting in our previous video, but we're cool now. Tuko... That's my friend Eve. Ondo alitoroka kamera ile siku, guys. Kama umefollow up. Kama umefollow up. But we forgive her.
Today I'm not camera shy. Hi guys.
Kama hujatuambia bila consent.
Mnataka kunicharge? Allah, mkona maubad. Hawa watu wangu watanichangia tulipe. Actually, the lighting is so good. This is my photographer, Mutisa, on the beat.
There's no beat here. I'm just beat today.
Hey, even though anafanya shots, quite life. So let's go. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Lazima ni vlog bado. Can you roll, baby? Ni kendo mana pancake. Kuna place sikuli anything. Ni cheese.
Yeah.
God. No, thank you.
Yeah.
So this is our the breakfast for today, which is so delicious. So this is gizzard and liver, then there's sausage, then there's eggs. That's a pancake, an egg, then there are chicken wings, then there's ndoma, ngwashe cake, and a certain cake that's not cake. If you know what I mean. Yes, the food was so delicious. I loved it. This got to be the greatest breakfast. Then juice, then half cup of porridge. By now you should know I love porridge. Hi guys. So we had amazing we had an amazing breakfast. I am so happy. Woo. The breakfast was mwah. The favorite part was I love eggs and I love pancakes. And I love ndoma and I love ngwashe. Okay, I love sweet potatoes. And the other one, I'm not sure of its name. The environment here is so good because there are trees all over. The sun is not yet down. It's a cool environment. I also enjoyed clear porridge. Though I didn't feel like it's like the one I cook at home, which I love so much. What else did I like? Yes, we had gizzards and liver. They were so good. A mixture, but they were dried super well. They were fried in a nice way. So apparently I'm supposed to go have tea because it's 11, but I am not hungry. Like, you guys saw the amount of food I ate. Why would I be hungry? Why? Because of why? How on earth am I supposed to be hungry? It's too soon. I've only sat for an hour, then boom. Not really an hour. I had a exercise moment. But we move on regardless. We move on. This is my friend Wayu.
Your friend behind the camera.
For the first time in vlog. Maribu Daltina. Unaonekana kwa vlog.
Why are you not having tea? Oh, it's your time to shine.
Manze nilikuwa niseme namba yangu ya simu lakini umeharibu.
Oh wow, so me I'm having a samosa because I'm not so hungry.
Ukisema namba yangu unaacha simu.
Guys, hii vita ishangi.
Aije
People are ever fighting.
Sikulishe tu samosa.
This is my bus seatmate.
Wow.
Wananifinyilia by the way. Cheers. This is Dalton. Cheers. Woo! Cheers. Hi guys, hope you're well. So I'm back again for the 1 million time. So we are going to have lunch. Yes. We are safe. I'm going with you guys. Yes, I am going with you guys. It's already sunny. That's why I'm glowing like this. We're having some good combo and I am super happy, super excited. Nowadays food excites me. I think that's why I'm adding weight. So let's go for lunch. I forgot I was supposed to vlog lunch. So here are my fruits, then a plate of rice which is halfway done, and cabbage and chicken which was delicious, and then there's kachumbari by the side if you can see it. This food was so good. Kadolta mtatumaliza. I could have added weight super fast. Then dinner, I had chips, then I had this is goat meat, yes, and greens by the side to make a baby healthy because in the morning I didn't have any veggies. The food was good. Good morning guys. Today is on a when is today guys
Wednesday.
Yeah, today's on a Wednesday. Today is the 5th of October. We had a fantastic night.
Hi guys, Liz here. We had such a wonderful night. The rooms are mwah. Love it.
Aki, please come to Sitam Kadolta Resort. You're gonna be amazed by the results. So we're going for breakfast. Yes, breakfast agenda. Mtaiona hiyo ndo inakuja next. But I am glad that God has given me another day and I am blessed and it's such an honor. Yeah, we thank the Lord. What are you grateful for?
Life, good health, vibes, nice people, nice place.
Yeah, so guys, if you've not subscribed, please do so. See you later. After this, it's food, breakfast. Breakfast, this is cornflakes. Then we have ndoma ngwashe again, then breakfast in bed. Scrambled eggs.
Unajua tumekuwa tukifight scrambled eggs zinafaa kukaa aje.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I am exiting Kadolta, my friend again. So I'm going home now. I am so happy. Had such a great time and I enjoyed everything here at Kadolta. This is my roommate. Yeah, we're exiting and we are happy. We thank God we've had a lot of fun. Ndo ya hapo msiseme ni kiki. Yeah, it was such an amazing birthday staycation. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you on another vlog.
Subscribe.
Kuna watu wana make noise hapa. Waone
Oh,
tu.
guys, just comment and subscribe.
The Judas channel. Make sure you subscribe, share, like
Yes.
the button.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely time. See you in the next vlog.